Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we talk about the latest technology trends and updates. In this video, we'll be discussing one of the most popular and widely used frameworks in the world of Java development, Springboot. We'll be discussing what is Springboot, its advantages and disadvantages, and its popularity in the industry. So, let's get started. What is Springboot? Springboot is a widely used open-source framework that is built on top of the Spring framework. It is designed to make it easy to create Spring-powered, production-grade applications and services with minimal fuss. Springboot offers a range of features that help developers quickly and easily set up and configure their Spring applications. It takes care of most of the boilerplate code and configurations, allowing developers to focus on writing business logic. Advantages of Springboot. Easy to set up. Springboot is very easy to set up and configure, thanks to its auto-configuration feature. Developers can simply add the required dependencies to their project and Springboot will automatically configure the application. Rapid development. Springboot offers a range of features that help developers write code quickly and efficiently. It provides a range of tools for building RESTful APIs, web applications, and microservices, making it an excellent choice for rapid application development. Scalability. Springboot provides support for both synchronous and asynchronous processing, making it easy to scale applications as needed. It also supports a range of deployment options, including cloud-based deployment. Community support. Springboot has a large and active community of developers who contribute to the framework and offer support to other developers. This means that developers can easily find answers to their questions and get help when they need it. Disadvantages of Springboot. Learning curve. While Springboot is easy to set up and configure, it can have a steep learning curve for developers who are new to the Spring framework. Developers need to have a good understanding of Spring in order to effectively use Springboot. Too many options. Springboot offers a wide range of features and options, which can sometimes be overwhelming for developers. It can be difficult to know which features to use and how to use them effectively. Performance. While Springboot is generally fast and efficient, it may not be the best choice for applications that require extremely high performance. Popularity of Springboot. Springboot is one of the most popular frameworks for Java development. According to the latest statistics, Springboot has a market share of around 20%, which is significantly higher than other Java frameworks. It is widely used by companies such as Netflix, Amazon, and LinkedIn, and has a large and active community of developers. Conclusion. In conclusion, Springboot is a powerful and popular framework that offers a range of features and benefits for Java developers. While it has its advantages and disadvantages, its popularity and community support make it an excellent choice for building production-grade applications and services. We hope this video has helped you understand what Springboot is, its advantages and disadvantages, and its popularity in the industry. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest technology trends and updates.